Best Tennis Rackets. To help you to slay on the court, we vetted numerous tennis rackets across some of the biggest brands in the game. We aren't professional tennis players, but hey, that might make our picks even more relevant. However, since we know the opinion of a pro is always a plus, we caught up with Rick Matchey, legendary tennis coach, former world-class player, and owner of Rick Matchey Tennis Academy in Boca Raton, Florida. Matchey has taught the best in the game, including a certain set of sisters with the last name Williams. Maybe you've heard of him? We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. In this video we will look at 5 of the tennis rackets in the market. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a trusted favorite among beginner tennis players for more than 2 decades, and it continues to stand out as an excellent entry-level option today. What makes this racket so popular is its incredibly lightweight construction, which allows for easy, fluid swings without requiring much effort. This is especially beneficial during longer sessions on the court, as it helps reduce the strain that often leads to shoulder, wrist, and elbow discomfort. Despite its lighter build, the Hyper Hammer still delivers impressive power, making it easier for new players to generate strong shots and experiment with different spin techniques as their confidence grows. Another standout feature is the oversized 110 square inch head. This provides a larger sweet spot, offering more forgiveness on off-center shots and giving new players a bit of extra assurance as they work on consistency. The racket is also well-balanced, which helps beginners feel more stable and controlled when serving or hitting deep baseline shots. In short, it supports learning and skill development without feeling overwhelming or demanding to use. What ultimately seals the deal is the value. The Hyper Hammer performs like a mid-range racket but is priced in a way that's friendly to those who are just starting out and aren't ready to make a big investment. For anyone new to tennis who wants a lightweight, power-friendly, comfortable racket that won't break the bank, a Hyper Hammer remains an easy recommendation. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Babolat has long been one of the most respected names in tennis, earning the trust of players across all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned professionals competing on the world stage. That sense of consistency and performance is exactly why many coaches and longtime players, like Matchey, say it's a brand they continually return to. The Babolat Boost series, including the Boost S model, is specifically crafted with new and developing players in mind, offering everything you need to grow your skills without unnecessary complexity or overwhelming features. The Boost S is designed to add an extra boost of power to your ground strokes and returns while maintaining a smooth, controlled feel. This helps new players learn proper technique and develop confidence from the baseline to the net. Its 10-ounce frame hits a sweet spot between lightweight maneuverability and solid impact strength. It's light enough to swing comfortably and consistently, yet sturdy enough to deliver satisfying depth and pace on your shots. This balance also reduces strain on the arm and shoulder, making it an excellent choice for longer practice sessions. Additionally, with its 102 square inch head, the Boost S provides a generous sweet spot that offers forgiveness on mishits. This allows beginners to focus on improving form rather than worrying about perfection on every ball. And perhaps one of its biggest perks is the price. The Boost S performs like a mid-range racket but comes at a beginner-friendly cost, making it very approachable for players looking to take the next step in their game. Specs: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's address the obvious right away. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 is not a budget racket. However, for players who are serious about improving their game or who simply appreciate top-tier comfort and performance, it's hard to find a better beginner-friendly option. What sets the Clash 108 V2 apart is its exceptional feel. This racket is engineered to be incredibly arm-friendly, absorbing shock and reducing vibration in a way that makes long practice sessions much more comfortable. If you're someone who struggles with wrist, elbow, or shoulder strain, or you just want to prevent it from ever becoming an issue, the Clash is a standout choice. Comfort isn't the only highlight, though. The Clash 108 V2 blends power and control beautifully, giving developing players the ability to hit deeper, more confident shots while still keeping the ball within the lines. Its slightly enlarged 108 square inch head creates a bigger sweet spot, offering more forgiveness on off-center hits, a major benefit as you refine your swing technique. This all-around versatility makes it ideal for players who want a racket that supports growth in every area of their game, from serves to volleys to baseline rallies. While the upfront cost may give some players pause, it's important to consider longevity and performance. A high-quality racket like this can easily serve you for many years, whereas cheaper sub-$100 frames tend to wear out quickly or fail to provide long-term comfort. For many beginners, investing in the Clash 108 V2 early on actually pays off. Specs: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed is another strong value option from one of the most well-known and trusted names in tennis. Designed with new and developing players in mind, this racket offers a combination of a large hitting surface and durable construction, two features that can make a noticeable difference when you're just starting out. The oversized 105 square inch head increases the sweet spot, which helps beginners connect more consistently and reduces the frustration of mishits. This makes it easier to return shots cleanly and build confidence with each swing. Another highlight is the extended 27.5 inch length. While this can be especially helpful for players with shorter or more compact swings since the extra length adds leverage and helps generate additional power, it's also beneficial for any new player who wants a little assistance getting depth on their shots. The frame weight of 10.4 ounces strikes a comfortable balance, offering enough stability to keep the racket from feeling flimsy, while still being light enough to maneuver without strain. No one will confuse the Geo Speed with a high-end professional racket, and that's perfectly fine. It isn't designed to be one. Instead, it's an ideal pick for beginners who are just getting familiar with fundamentals or for recreational players who want a reliable racket for occasional matches or weekend rallies. Considering its blend of performance, ease of use, and affordability, the Geo Speed delivers excellent value and remains a smart entry-level choice. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULSV5. The newest Wilson Burn doesn't just look sleek and modern on the court, it delivers performance that makes it an excellent fit for developing players. What stands out most is its lightweight feel, which makes swinging effortless and reduces fatigue during long hitting sessions or extended matches. For beginners who haven't yet built up strength in their shoulders or forearms, this can make a huge difference in comfort, especially when practicing repeatedly throughout the week. Despite its lighter build, the Burn maintains impressive stability and maneuverability. Many lightweight rackets can feel flimsy or lack control, but this one strikes a smart balance. The stiff carbon fiber construction provides plenty of power behind each hit, helping players drive the ball deeper into the court without needing to overswing or strain. This stability also means more consistency during fast rallies, allowing beginners to build confidence as they improve timing and placement. The Burn is also priced in the middle range, not too cheap, not too premium, making it an appealing step-up option for players who want something better than an entry-level racket but aren't ready to invest in a top-tier professional frame. It offers a just right combination of power, feel, and control that makes it especially beginner-friendly. Compared to the other Wilson rackets often recommended for new players, the Burn sits comfortably in the middle, offering the best of both worlds, light enough to swing with ease, yet strong and stable enough to grow with you as your game improves. Specs: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.7 ounces. Head size, 100 square in.